Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Dhanesha. My USN is 2SD21EC065. I am currently studying in 6th semester and pursuing my bachelor's in Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering at HDMCD, Dharwad. Today I am here to simulate selective repeat protocol using C programming. So before simulating it, let us study what is selective repeat protocol. Selective repeat is an automatic repeat request protocol used in data link and transport layers to ensure reliable data transmission. It allows multiple frames to be sent before needing an acknowledgement for the first frame, but only the erroneous frames or corrupted frames are transmitted. Sliding window. Both the sender and the receiver maintain a window of frames. The sender can send multiple frames specified by the window size before needing an acknowledgement. The receiver can receive frames out of order within its window size. SRP is a type of error control protocol we use in computer networks to ensure the reliable delivery of data packets. In SRP, the sender divides the data into packets and sends them to the receiver. Furthermore, the receiver sends an ACK for each packet received successfully. If the sender doesn't receive an ACK for a particular packet, it retransmits only the packet instead of the entire set of packets. The SRP uses window-based flow control mechanism to ensure the sender doesn't overwhelm the receiver with too many packets. So basically this is a diagram of selective repeat protocol. So as you can see that this is the window size of the, and the window size is limited to frame 0 and frame 1. At starting, the sender sends the frame 0, it is received by the receiver and it sends an ACK signal. Then the sender sends frame 1, it is received by the receiver and sends the ACK to sender. Then the window is changed from 01 to 23. Now the sender sends frame 2. Due to some error, it is lost or corrupted somewhere. Then the sender sends frame 3. The receiver sends a negative acknowledgement signal to the sender. The frame 2 which was lost here, it is sent again, it is sent again or retransmitted again at the end of the window. So let us simulate it. So basically I have defined a set of library which are required, and I have defined a structure as named as frame. It has two data fields, frame number and ACK. Basically frame number for sequence number of the frame and ACK for acknowledgement status. I have defined set of functions such as send frame, received ACK, received NACK. These functions are used to print message that the frame is sent or not, or to indicate the message of to indicate a message that ACK has been received or NACK has been received. So coming to the main function. So I have defined total frames, send base, and I have initialized send base next sequence number ACK frames to 0. So I have also asked to prompt the user to send the number of frames to be sent. So coming to the window. The loop runs until the send base is less than total number of frames. It sends the frame within the window limits. Frames are sent until the window is full. So this is the part of the frame. So coming to the ACK and NACK reception. It iterates to window to check ACK and NACK for each frame. It updates ACK status for each received frame, and it retransmits if NACK is received or the frame is lost. It only retransmit the frame at the end of the window. So after sending all the frame and receiving all the frames, we have generated a message such as all frames have been sent and acknowledged. So let us run this. So basically the two possibly of test cases arises. First case is that all frames are been sent and without any error they have been reached and acknowledged. The second case is that some frames are acknowledged and some frames are lost and again retransmitted at the last. So let us run one by one and check for each test cases. So enter the number of frames to be sent 4. So you can see that it is sending frame 1 0 1 2 3. So it basically asks enter 1 for ACK signal and 2 for NACK for frame 0. It basically iterates to a loop and consecutively asks for frame 0 1 2 3. So let us enter 1, that is the frame has been acknowledged. So it says that receive ACK for frame 0. Again it asks from frame 1 and it goes on frame 2, frame 3. So basically we have sent 4 frames and all the 4 frames have been acknowledged without any errors. So all frames have been sent and acknowledged. So coming to the next test case, where I will send 4 frames in which 2 frames are been acknowledged and 2 frames are been given non-acknowledgement signal. So the frames are been sent from numbered from 0 to 3. So again it asks for enter 1 for ACK, 2 for NACK. First I'll acknowledge frame 0 and 1. So I have received ACK for frame 0 and received ACK for frame 1. So I'll now give an input 2. So it says that it receives NACK for frame 2 and displays a message sending frame 2. It will send this frame at the end of the window. So we have sent all the frames. The first two frames have been acknowledged. The last 2 frames, which are numbered as 2 and 3, will be retransmitted again. So you can see that it again asks for frame 2, which was corrupted earlier. So it again says received ACK for frame 2 and it asks for frame 3, which was corrupted earlier. The code runs until all the frames have been sent and acknowledged successfully. So as we have sent 2 frames which were be acknowledged by the receiver and the 2 were not acknowledged, so till the 2 frames are retransmitted and acknowledged, the code runs, and after being acknowledged we get a display message such as all frames have been sent and acknowledged. So I hope you got a well understanding about this code, about this topic. So coming to the difference between selective repeat protocol and go back N protocol. So basically selective repeat protocol transmits only the frame it retransmits only the frame which are negatively acknowledged or which are timed out or which are corrupt or lost somewhere. Whereas coming to the go back N protocol, it retransmits all frames from the erroneous frame to the last send frame. Basically coming to the efficiency in selective repeat protocol, it is more efficient in terms of bandwidth as it reduces the number of retransmission. Whereas we find a drawback in go back N protocol, it can lead to higher bandwidth usage due to retransmitting potentially large amounts of data. So we have come to the end of this topic. So I hope you all may have got the good understanding about selective repeat protocol. So thank you.